This rare Kia Stinger Atlantica is more than just some pretty paint. Kia will add some unique touches to this limited edition Stinger GT. There isn't much more praise we can throw at the Kia Stinger. We loved driving it in California and were completely enamored with the car after spending a week with the Stinger GT2 more recently. The Stinger hasn't been on the market for a full year yet, but Kia is gearing up for the 2019 model year with a special edition version. It's called the Atlantica, and Kia says it will only build 500 units for the US. Kia predicts it will sell out quickly, and based on what's included in the car, we don't doubt it. The Stinger GT Atlantica celebrates the cross-Atlantic collaboration between the US and the vehicle's Germany-based development roots. This isn't just a special edition for the sake of a special edition. The Atlantica will have features not offered on any other Stinger. For starters, the only color choice is a deep chroma blue metallic unique to this car. The interior will be equally bespoke with Atlantica-only espresso brown napa leather seats and black suede headliner. All 500 units will feature a unique, numbered badging inside and out, as well as a few unique options to help it stand out among other Stinger models. In the US, the Stinger is badged with Kia emblems on the front and rear. The Atlantica will instead use the large font Stinger logo found on the Korean spec car. The Korean spec badges look fantastic, but Kia only decided to include the rear emblem, not the unique E logo in front. In addition to the emblems, the car will have unique Atlantica badges to further set it apart, as well as unique 19-inch wheels. Not only does this special edition have unique colors and badging, it also has technology features not found in the standard Stinger. These features include a surround view monitor, wireless phone charger, unheated rear outboard seats. Final pricing has not been determined yet, but we expect the Stinger GT Atlantica to be a bit more than a Stinger GT2 with AWD, around $52,000. We should have more details closer to the car's on sale date this summer, and we hope dealerships won't go crazy with the markups. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for our channel.